how to connect a wireless printer to Windows 10 or 11. So I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless printer to Windows 10 or 11. First, your printer should be connected to your network or your router. And there might be a button to press and hold to connect to your router. Or you can also use the Ethernet to connect your printer to your router. After you've done that, we have to just right click on the start icon and click on the settings option. Once you've opened this, you're going to go with the devices button. Once you click on devices, you will have Bluetooth and devices right here. And from the options at the left side of your screen, you'll have printers and scanners. Click on it and then click on add a printer, which will be in the top of your screen. Click on add a printer or scanner. It will search for printer and scanner. If it shows that the printer that you want isn't listed, what we're going to do is you need to just simply go with control panel. Go with your search and search for control panel, open it up. And here usually you will have view by on the top. You need to just simply go and select large icons so that we can see more options. From here, we are going to select the option of network and sharing center. From here, you can go with the left side and then you will have an options of change advanced sharing settings. And here you will have a section called file and printer sharing. We're going to turn on the file and printer sharing. After you've selected that, click on Save Changes, which will be on the bottom, and that should save our settings. The next thing we're going to do is restart your computer. And after that, back to the settings and do the same steps of adding your printer as I've demonstrated earlier. That is how you can basically connect a wireless printer to your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.